Hello, my Daddy Motors Lanford. I'd just like to show you our 212 CHR. This is 1.8 hybrid sport. Finished in Celestic Grey. Body work in perfect condition. Comes with electric windows, electric mirrors, central locking, tinted glass with privacy glass in the back. This car also has the chrome pack, alloy wheels, front fogs, daytime running lights. This car will also come with a full NCT. It's taxed until the end of October. It's a low tax bracket of $190 a year. It also has front and rear parking sensors. Chrome strip on the tailgate also. Very spacious boot. Reverse camera. So here in the back we have a lower interior with ISOFIX seats. Loads of legroom in the back of this car. Electric windows in the back. Cup holders in the door cards. So front we have automatic transmission. We have lumbar support in the driver's seat. Centre armrest with pocket, cup holder. We have USB and auxiliary ports. Touchscreen radio with reverse camera. Air conditioning, Bluetooth. Dual climate control. Multifunction steering wheel, cruise control. Pre-collision alert, lane assist, automatic wipers, automatic headlights. This car is covered kilometers of 102,000. Service history. So that's our 212 CHR 1.8 hybrid sport. For more information and finance options, contact our sales team here on 04333 45621 and they will gladly help you out. Thank you.